Wow, very very dark. After I writing, pray, something happened. I'm first time come here. I first time saw this weather is very very dark. Wow. See? Oh. Wow, I like raining day. It will be very heavy. Yeah, I just finished pray and I just finished my writing. This one about me, about 5 of me. Just finished writing. I say I just finished writing and outside raining direct. Very nice. I like raining day. You see, when raining time, I like to stand outside, touch the water, enjoy the natural raining, and feel the wind. Very nice. Feel so cold, calm down, no any fire, no anything at my mind. Just focus on the prayer. That's all. See, dog. Hi, dog. It's raining. You come inside. Why you go outside? Come here. It's raining. I said, come out. Come inside here. Good dog. Come. It's raining. Come here. See that? It's very good. Listen to me. Dog is always good for our people. See that? You know, I come here is just only 1.5 months. So first time it's get heavy raining and very very dark. I don't know what happened, but I feel very happy, really. Last few times it's raining, but it's not too heavy, just small little. Wow. You listen. I tell you, I feel very happy. Wow, the raining is come here. This in front of that, I told you that one Mickey restaurant have one fried chicken, very nice. 1 week I will buy 2 until 4 pieces chicken, eat drumstick. I like it. I feel hungry already. Later I will cook myself. See that my car? I don't know how to tell you the feel so cold. Maybe I'm easy angry, the fire woman, you know. So when I touch the water or get the raining or get the cool drink, I will automatically happy. I will automatically calm down my oil fryer and nothing inside my blend. Just very easy. You see right now of me is very free, right? Yeah, this is me. It's original. You know, if right now I'm not get sick, what I will doing, you know, I just put down my handphone, I run, how to say, just give all, say, I don't know how to say, just pray the water, go outside, touch the rain. All is water, you see. If not right now I get sick, I told you I will run out, stand at the outside, touch the water, feel the raining. But now cannot, I'm still sick. You know, yesterday I get fever. So now I'm feeling well, just some cough like that, little, not too much. Very nice. 24 hours. I just sit there from 10 o'clock until 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. I just sit inside the chair. It's very broad for me. No texting, no chatting. The life is going easy and very, very broad for me. But I like. Very nice. Last few days I'm here, so my record will be my history. I will not come here anymore. I think it's last 1 week, 7 days maybe. So today is Friday, right? So tomorrow is my last meeting with my boss. They will discuss the new, how to say, new planning for me to transfer back Malacca. So just only last week I'm here, Klang.